Yo, what is up? So we're gonna continue working on the character creator. I've got some changes I need to make to some of the things I've done. So I'm making some changes to the. I set up freckles and age. Gotta make some changes to it. Okay, so go to maps, main menu, and let's see. You go into blueprints, widgets, character creator. Isaac, what up, playa? What you got going on? What you up to? We out here working on our character creator some more. Just got some changes to some things I made yesterday I need to do. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna collapse this to a function. This is gonna be male head dynamic material. And I kind of need to move everything down. Let me do that. Make some room. Yeah. Plug that guy there. Plug this guy there. J-Rap? What's up, J-Rap? What you got going on? What up, what up? What it do? Okay. Cool. Dennis Wu, morning. Actual morning? Yeah, it's morning. It's morning. Yeah, it's 11:15 for me right now. What you up to? What is up? So, add a sequence in here. And we need to create a dynamic material for each index. Doomwop, what up? What you got going on, Doomwop? What up, what up? Give me index 13. Nice, did some Unreal. About to make some dinners. Hell yeah. Damn, what time is it for you? Making dinner. Must be late. I think I need 5 of these. Throw this one on 4, I believe. Man, just messing around in UE at the moment. About to go run some errands. What you up to? We are in the process of... I'm changing... yesterday I made a whole bunch of changes. So I made my color picker, I made an age slider, and I made a freckles slider. Right now I'm making some changes to my age and freckles slider. Fix some bugs with it. But hells yeah. What you got going on in Unreal Engine? This whole character creator part is what I'm focusing on right now, so I'm curious to see how you do it. So far, it's similar to what I'm going for-ish. Nice. What are the differences? Yeah, there's a lot I'm still debating on for the next part. But, yeah, the next part's gonna be the hardest part. Trying to debate on how I want to deal with my morph targets things, because we definitely need morph targets no matter what because of the way I have my classes set up. I'm just trying to debate on how I want to go about it and how I'm gonna deal with the main thing that's concerning me right now is the facial hair situation. I know how I'm gonna deal with hair. I'm just trying to think about how I'm gonna deal with facial hair. Like I may just make like a limited number of morph targets. It's kind of how I'm thinking, because I don't want to move things that are gonna like skew the face so much that like facial hair and stuff like that gets unaligned and stuff. So we'll do morph targets, and we probably just won't make like a ton of them. Cause like, I don't really know a solid way of dealing with like facial hair position and stuff if you change certain parts of the face like a lot, you know? We'll do some testing with it to try to figure it out. J-Rap just chilling, replaying my game to check bugs and fix them. Nice, nice. How's that going? Have you found any bugs? Not super late, 5:16 p.m. now? Oh, nice. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Hell yeah. What you eating for dinner? Fuck yeah, man. Envious of your progress? Hey, man. Hey, you could do it too. You could do it too. It's just a lot of work. Charge Dev, character creation is always fun, especially when you get into very detailed customization. Yeah, so I'm trying some things with this character creator that I haven't done on some other character creators that I've done. So I'm attempting morph targets. I've never done morph targets on a character creator. And there's just like a few things that I'm trying to think of how I'm going to deal with. The main thing is, like I was saying a minute ago, facial hair. I'm trying to think of how I'm going to deal with facial hair and like positioning the hair. I think I'm just going to make a limited number of morph targets. Like, we're not going to go crazy with morph targets. I'm just going to make a limited number of morph targets. Because I don't want to skew the face to where like facial hair and stuff like that gets unaligned. Yes? What bugs have you found? The other thing is be careful with morph extremities. His eyeballs and teeth clipping through the mesh. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of things I'm gonna be careful with. Like I'm saying, I'm probably gonna do a very limited number of morph targets. I definitely want to go crazy with the ears. We could kind of do whatever the hell we want with ears. I want to do things with the cheekbones. I want to do things with the chin. I'm not touching like the top of the head at all. I'm not even touching that. Not even gonna try to mess with the top of the head. There's some things I might do with the mouth, but I want to be careful on the mouth because of facial hair and stuff like that. Teeth, I want to do some teeth morphs for like the vampire class and stuff like that. Maybe. But like you were saying, gotta be careful with like teeth and stuff like that. Don't want any kind of weird clipping. Doomwomp, I know some of these words. What words? Which words do you know? Which ones? Character creation is very trial and error. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have some trial and error, especially when we get to the morph part. That's gonna be where the kind of the hardest part is gonna be. Death screen? Oh, you got some death screen bugs? What kind of bugs do you have with that? Do you live in Austin? Getting pretty strong Austin vibes? Nope, I live in Georgia. Good old Georgia. Yeah, nah. Good old southern boy here, out in Georgia. Fresh Meat 911. Hey, yo, what's up, Fresh Meat? What you got going on? Oh, you cute little peach? Yeah, I'm a little peach out here. I'm a little peach boy out in Georgia. Fuck, good luck with teeth morphs. I tried to go for a fang thing and just couldn't get it. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe try and attempt it because we have a vampire class, so we kind of, it would be useful to have that. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna change 2 of the teeth. So I think I'm just gonna morph the top up a bit and just kind of bring it in. I don't want to change the length of it at all, I don't think. Or if I do, not very much. Not much? Hell yeah. What's on the plan for the day, Fresh Meat? What you got going on? Got a holiday in June with my girlfriend. She won't stop going on about it. Nice. What are y'all doing? What's the plan for that? What is the plan for that? Okay, so we need index 0. Right here. Going to Palm in Dubai? What? That sounds dope as hell. I want to go. Take me with you. Let me go. Head. Material. Index 0 melt. That's what this one's gonna be. And that's gonna bug me right there, not being like that. How's the menu coming along? I could give you a quick little show. Right now we're fixing some bugs with my age and freckles. But I can give you a little look-see real quick. Let me fix the damn texture streaming. I'll give you a little look-see real quick. See, I added a bunch of stuff yesterday on the edit appearance. We could change male to female. We also added in voices. You can test the different voices. I'm just using a free little voice pack from the marketplace. We got some of that going on. If you go to female, it'll automatically go to the female one. We added in skin color. I've got some preset colors started. Need to finish this. This is gonna be a lot of work. We got our adjust color as well. You can scroll around and change your color, change the saturation of it, change the value of it. So I've added in all of that. So yeah, we got that. Here, let me just change the color to something easier to see here. So we got maturity. I'm fixing some things with the maturity, but if you can tell, you kind of get some wrinkles. If you boost the maturity, boost that up. And we got freckles. I don't think freckles are working on female right now, so let me change to male. So, oh, maturity's broken right now on him too, but yeah, that's broken right now because I'm making some changes to it, but yeah. Yeah, I'm working on the maturity and freckles right now, making some changes to it. I love that cam blend. Mine's still bugging out. Which cam blend? The one, like where you change the position? No ooh-ooh sounds? Yeah, sadly that pack didn't come with no ooh-ooh sounds. Are you talking about this? This kind of a thing? I ran into a few bugs with it as well, but I got them fixed. Yeah. Probably nothing. We got dumped on overnight, and I don't feel like doing snow things today. Be right back. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hey, nothing wrong with having a nothing day. Full red character is wild. Hey, we can have all the colors. We can have all the colors. I mean, we already do have all the colors with the adjust color thing. But yeah, the preset colors, we're gonna have all the options. And then you come in here and make whatever the hell you want over here too.
But no, you just had to blow it up. You and your pride and your ego.
Is that Lord Kenny? It didn't show me. It's probably Lord Kenny. It is Lord Kenny. What's up, Lord Kenny? What you got going on? I want to be a blue smurf? You could totally be a blue smurf. You could totally be a blue smurf. Yeah, that one? Yeah, I ran into some bugs with mine as well. I had to do some fixes. If you look at the code for my camera changes, it's pretty damn messy. Yeah, all of this right here is controlling the cameras. Pretty messy. But we got a little spaghetti going on with it, but it'll be okay. It'll be alright. At least it's functional. Hey, yo, it's me. I've not got too much going on apart from fixing bugs, to be honest. How are you, man? I'm doing pretty good. What bugs are you dealing with? I'm also fixing some bugs right now. Also, collision issues somewhere. So the bugs that I was having was just like transitional things. So like, yeah, I had to add in all of this to fix my bugs. So like when you would get to the last camera, you couldn't go back and stuff because how I had the enums set somewhere in here. Yeah, I just had a few transitional bugs, mostly. I got those fixed, though. There's some stuff with client-server communication that I think I'm getting wrong. Oh, no, what's happening? What's happening with it? Still working on my level sequence and stuff also. Vax in Discord? Hell yeah. How's that going? Yeah, we added a level sequence to our intro as well. When you choose the difficulty, pans down. Plays the sequence, goes down to the character creator. Yeah. Need any help? I don't know yet. Maybe. Might take some help. I mean, a client should not be telling the server what to do for a start. Yeah. Alright, so let's go back. We need our index 9 now. So, let's do that. Set this to index 9. Promote this to a variable. Head material index 9 mil. Yeah, there we go. Trying to set up lobbies where up to 4 people can join in a lobby and go into the game together, but I'm trying to make it so that when the party leader begins matchmaking, but it won't work. Doing that bit in blueprints currently. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, when I did multiplayer, I didn't even mess with lobbies. I've watched a few videos on like setting up lobbies and stuff, but I don't remember jack shit about it. I have this working in my game. How are you trying to do it? You can 100% do it in Blueprint? Nice. Yeah, I've seen some videos of people doing it in Blueprint. So the party leader can begin matchmaking. So yeah, whenever the party leader like presses like the begin, like start game, it'll start looking. Alright, so we need index 11. Start some matchmaking for the whole lobby. Yeah, nice. Nice. So we're gonna promote this to a variable. Head material index 11 mil. There we go. Jesse, hey, how are you? How's it going? It's going good. What you got going on? What is up? We out here fixing some bugs. Doing some bug fixes right now. Squashing them bugs down. This will be index 12. Head material index 12 a melt. And now we need the last index, which is index 14. Right here. Index 14. Plug this one in. Promote to variable. Head material index 14 mil. So let me just move this guy down here. Cool. That should be good. So now we need to do the same thing for our female. Basically make this same function, but for our female. So we could duplicate the function and just promote all of these to a variable. Or change the variable that's promoted. So I've got a server event in the game mode handling that, but the server method won't even run when I try and call it from the lobby widget blueprint. They're doing that bit in blueprint at the minute, but might need to move some of that stuff to C++. Maybe so. I'm not sure. It's like starting a game to travel to a new map or searching for sessions. It's two different scenarios. Using a dedicated server, so basically it's going to search for sessions based on the region of the party leader. It makes sense. Makes sense. I made the mercenary swimming system so that they can swim underwater and on water surface, and also trying to make a climbing system, but it's not working. Oh no, what's happening with your climbing system? What's wrong with it? Vladimir, hello, I am new here. Are you building this game only using Blueprint? Thank you. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, so far right now, all we're doing is Blueprint. I'm in the process of learning C++. So at some point, I might start adding in some C++ code since I'm learning it a bit. But right now, everything is built in Blueprint. Yeah, so far. Yeah, that might change. We might end up rebuilding stuff in C++ later. Maybe. Oh, welcome in. Welcome in. I mean, the widget is local only, so when you press the start button, just use the branch with is server, and if it is the server, just find sessions. Don't even need a server event. Nice. Stuff isn't implemented yet, though. I'm only doing UI stuff at the minute, so when matchmaking starts, the deploy button disappears for everyone, and a new box comes up with the time matchmaking has taken, along with the cancel button, so the party can end matchmaking again. Interesting. Yeah, that stuff's way above my head. I don't know hardly jack shit about multiplayer, especially lobby stuff. Alright, so let's... we're just gonna duplicate this function. We're gonna call this... female head dynamic material, and we're just gonna change all of these variables right here. So promote to variable head material. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Index 0 female. I think the music stopped. Let me look. No, it just didn't go to the next one for whatever the hell reason. The playlist broke. Let me just refresh. Works for me. Okay. Let me think of if I'm doing this right. Let me look back at my other stuff down here. Where's it at? Way over here. Okay. Yeah. We need to do this. I see. Yeah. I'll be right back. Gotcha. So yeah, we're gonna have to change a lot of this. Okay, so let me go back up here. Let me go ahead and right here, we're gonna add in our female head dynamic material. Let's go ahead and finish this right here. Well, you know the add movement input, it made my character when press the W key goes up for climbing, but when press D it doesn't climb down, but instead of move away from the wall. Oh. Yeah, I kind of get the idea of what you're saying. Hey, when you're free, is there a way I could do a call on Discord to show what the problem trying might be too hard to explain? I already get the idea of what the problem is. I already know the issue you're having. So let's do head material index 9 female. We're gonna promote to variable head material index 11 female. then we will promote this one to a variable. Head material index 12 female. Promote this one to a variable. Head material index 13 female. And then we're gonna promote this one to a variable. Head material index 14 female. What? Oh, why do I already? Head material index 14 female. Okay. I don't know what the hell I typed in a second ago. So I'll compile that. Go back to the event graph.
Hey, Maestro.
And then what we want to do is right here instead.
Yeah, that's better.
Let's see. Instead of doing this, we're gonna delete that. We'll pull all of this stuff in. Oh god. I left a pin behind. No, I mean, if you could help me and also explain how I could use multiple add movement input modes for like flying, climbing, etc. I don't remember how to do it, but I could show you the video that I watched for me learning how to do climbing. It was a Matt Asplin video. Yeah, I don't remember how to do every system out there. I also do research when I build systems. It's hard to remember everything. So let me find. I think it's this one. Be essentially the same process. I'll drop the link. I'll drop the link in the chat. Yeah, this video right here. It's the one I remember watching for climbing. I'll drop the link. There you go. Did it go? I think it did. Okay, so that should be good. I guess we don't need that now. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. Oh, now it showed me the notification. It didn't show me the one before. Okay, I'm gonna watch that. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, that should work. That's the one I watched whenever I set up a climbing system. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Alright, so now we gotta set all these variables. So there's gonna be index 0. Not set. Index 0. index 9. Index 11 right here. Index 12. And index 13 we already have. I'll probably pull some of these in. Let's see, what's this name? Did it say? Here, let me go back. Go back to the stream. Ivan Sim Racing, nice stream. How's the game going? Hey, I appreciate it. How are you? Game's going good. We're in the process of fixing some bugs right now. But what's up? Do you do some game dev stuff as well? I'm gonna move this pin right here. What's that one? Phoenix? Hola, what's up, Phoenix? What you got going on? What is up? What is up? Alright, so right here, let's delete all of this. Then we're gonna pull all of this back. Like that. And now we need our index 0 female right here. And then we're gonna get our index 9 female right here. We're gonna get our index 11 female right here. And I'm gonna get my index 12 female. And then index 13 female. Yeah, I started making games in UE5 and am learning Blender. I'm making a mobile FPS right now. Nice! How long have you been using Unreal Engine? And how long you been working on your game? We'll get index 14 right here. Hey, that was Ivan Sim Racing. Hey, I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Or the sub. The sub. I appreciate the sub. We'll pull this guy up. Pull this guy up. So let's make sure this works. We'll test this real quick. So maturity, it is not working. Why not? What do we break? Here, let me see. Let's see. I feel like that should work.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Ingmar DeJong. I appreciate the follow. Welcome in. How is it going? So why does this not work? I've used UE for about a year in this mobile project. I started yesterday. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Do you have any other game dev experience before Unreal Engine? But nice. I hope your game goes well. So I feel like this should work. Do I need to put the... I don't think so. I don't think I need to put the name right there. Let me look at the freckles real quick. Freckles aren't working either. So let me see. It worked on my quick little test I did before, but now it doesn't want to work. What if we... Instead of doing this here, if we just do this on construct. I don't think that'll make a difference, but we'll see. UE4 is my first engine I learned. Nice, nice. Yeah, I've been using it since Unreal Engine 4 as well. Been a handful of years. Let's see. I don't think that's gonna make a difference, but just double check some things. Ismail, do this. No. Well, shit. Okay. Okay, we might have to do this a different way. We might have to... We might have to move those functions down here and do an is valid check of some sort. Oh, let's see. So let's move that here. Move these functions down. Over here somewhere. Where the hell are we at? Way over here. So let's change this up a bit. So we will... We'll leave that there. And then we will, let's say, add this function here. And then we'll do is valid. And if... Oh shit. Hold on. We might just need to get rid of the function, actually. When we do an is valid check before all of these. So what if I... expand node? Yeah, it's way too damn big. Here, I'll just disconnect the function for now. I'm gonna need to make some hella room here. And I'm just gonna pull all of this stuff. Make some room. And I'm just gonna open this guy. And grab this instead of adding a sequence there. Paste this guy in. And is valid right there. And we want to, before we create dynamic material on each of these, we want to check to see if it's valid, because if it's valid, we don't want to create a dynamic material. Is valid. If it is not valid, we want to create the material. So let me just grab this guy. Let me actually test this on my Element 13 first. We'll test it down here first, since that's the one that I'm on. So if it's not valid, we'll create the material. So index 13, hook this one up. If it is valid, we will skip over this and go here. Right. Let's just test that real quick. Oh, wait. We want to hook this guy in. Yeah, now we'll test that. What the hell? That didn't even work. Why not? Oh, wait a second. The hell is this is valid right here? Let's get rid of that. Yeah, we don't want that there. Now let's try again. And that worked. Okay. And the freckles are working. Okay, that's the way we want to do
You
it.
call this resisting arrest? We call this a difficulty tweak.
Hell yeah! I appreciate the biddies. It's Lord Kitty, right? That's Lord Kitty. It didn't tell me. Oh yeah, it is Lord Kitty. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the way we want to do it. We want to check if the material, if the dynamic material is valid. If it's not valid, we're gonna create the material. If it is valid, we're just gonna set the scalar parameter. Yes? Hell yeah. Yeah, I think I might have my bug fixed, or not fixed, but figured out what I gotta do for it here. My first method didn't work, so we're changing it up again. So, if it's not valid, we'll do that. If it is valid, we will skip over and go here. And let's just make some room so I can reroute some things. Yes! Yes! So we'll do that. Let me just line this stuff up. So we already got this one set. I'm gonna want some space. Some more space. The need for more space. So wires don't cross and shit. So we're gonna do another, well, let's just, yeah, we'll just go ahead and set the is valid up here. So if it's not valid, we'll create the material and just move all of this stuff down. So, like this. And we want to check index 9. We'll plug this guy in. So if it's not valid, we'll make the material. If it is valid, we won't make the material, and we'll just set the scalar parameter here. Like that. And we'll just move all of this down. Move that guy. Oh, we do want to plug this in though. There we go. Let's move that guy up. And we'll do another is valid here. If it's not valid, we'll make the material, plug this guy in down here. And we want to check index 11. If it is valid, we want to skip over it and set that one. Right. Cool. . compile, save. Now we want to do another is valid. It's not, whoops. It's not valid. We want to create the material. We want to check head index 12. It's this guy right here. I'm gonna plug that one in. Plug this one in. It is valid, and we want to skip over and just do this. There we go. So that should be good. Oh wait, let me move this guy here. Grab another is valid. It's not. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Yeah, the friggin' ads. Alright, so we want to check index 14. Plug this guy in. So if it's not valid, we create the material. If it is valid, we won't create the material and just set the scalar parameter. Here, let me see what this says. Yeah, I just finished an 18-hour render, which took 14 hours to process 4K. Holy shit, what are you rendering? What the hell were you rendering? Hello. Long ass time. What'd you do the whole time? Were you just waiting? Just watching the render progress? Oh, we need to reroute this guy. Forgot to reroute that up there. The next blockbuster movie? Watching the render progress? Everyone would love to watch the render progress. It's the most interesting thing ever. Cool. We can delete that function right there. So that should be good. Let's give that a little test real quick. Just do a double look here. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. So, compile. Just made music while it was going down. Hell yeah. Yeah, work on something else. I made a rain in nature in ancient ruins jungle ambience 4K video. Was this in Blender or Unreal Engine? Where'd you make it at? I want to watch it. Okay, let's give this a little test real quick. So, maturity is working. Freckles are working too at the moment, but I still want to kind of do the same thing. Vanilla, yo, looking good. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, we working out some bugs right now. Well, what you got going on? Hydrate? Sure. I see Lord Kenny wants me to pee today. Wants to make me pee. But yeah, we got our skin colors and stuff set up too, Ben. Our color picker. We still need to set some preset colors, but that's gonna be a whole process there. That's cool. Hell yeah. Yeah, I appreciate it. Hey, we're getting to where we can do some cool shiz. And change our age. Add some freckles if we want to. You got the races sorted out? No, we're pretty much just doing our human race right now. So like once we actually make some changes to our races, we'll have to do even more stuff. It's gonna be quite a bit of work. I mean, for the most part, all of these controls here will be the same for all the races. It's just when we get to the adjustments and yeah, a lot of the controls will be the same for the races. There'll be some slight differences. We gotta... Oh, what? Oh, do we need to do an is valid check? We may need to do another is valid check at the end, because we just got an error. I have no clue where to start with any of this stuff. It's not that hard. It's just tedious. So shit. Okay, so we got an error on that. Access unknown, trying to 14 female. Oh, well, that might be because that's the female stuff. Yeah, okay. So, right, let me just check this. Male. Oh! For some reason, my dumbass put female right here. I bet it's that. 14 male. Yeah, I bet that's why. Let's give it another test, see if we get that same error. Mega Scans plus Unreal Engine? Hell yeah! Did it turn out badass? Alright, let's give it another check. Good old Wada. Good old H2O. That good old Wada. So let's see if we get that same error. We'll just make a whole bunch of changes and do all the same shit we just did. No error that time. Cool. Yeah, that's what it was. I had the wrong variable set in there. Yeah, it was just that one variable I messed up. So now we need to do the same thing down here. The character creator looks awesome, man. It's getting there. It's getting there. We're finally getting to some of the cooler parts of it. Finally. But we aren't even close to done. So move this guy back. Just move this down for now. So, yeah, we want to do the same is valid checks here. Maybe I just need to try and do it. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Character creators are relatively easy. All you're doing is just setting things, pretty much. When you click a button, set the thing. That's pretty much the idea behind it. Yeah, that's pretty much all you're doing. It's pretty easy. I'm sure I can work it out. Yeah, if you can make equipment system and stuff, you can definitely make a character creator. Okay, so I want to move all of this back. Halt. It's a buggy equipment system. It's got a lot of bugs. Yeah, but you'll get those worked out. You'll get those worked out. So now we want to grab that female function. That function can just go. Let me get rid of that function wherever the hell it is. It's not anywhere. Might be down here just floating around somewhere. Yeah, right there. Also learning more to a zombie game I've been wanting to make, so that's gonna go in the trash. It's all learning, so I don't mind. Yeah, I know how it is. Just make systems that learn. But hell yeah, what kind of zombie game are you thinking of doing? Had close to 1,000 projects, but each one I learned something new, so it's okay. Yeah, I've done the same thing. Pretty much all my projects up to now have just been pretty much learning projects. Build them up to a certain point, learn a bunch of stuff, delete them, completely get rid of them. But hell yeah, I've got some. I've had ideas of doing a zombie game too. I think it'd be pretty cool. So let's see. We want to copy all of this. Move this over. Try to clean this wire here a little bit. Then we will paste this in. We'll just get rid of that sequence right there. And hook this up to the false. And now, basically want to do what we did before. So let's grab is valid. If it's not valid, we'll do that. We're gonna check head material index 0 female index 0. I'm pretty sure we already listened to this. Let's go find something else. We'll go here, sure. Index 0. There we go. And we'll plug this into here. Move some of this stuff down. There we go. So, if it's not valid, we'll create it. If it is valid, we'll skip over it. Let's make some room. Oh, is valid. It's not valid. Damn autosave. We're gonna check index 9. We'll hook that guy in. The song? Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, the Solstice soundtrack is great. Solstice's soundtrack is amazing. Also, good game. I recommend it. Is valid. We'll skip over. There you go. Now we want to do the next one. Which we're gonna check index 11. So we'll hook that one in. Then we'll hook the is valid in. There you go. So let's do another is valid. We'll hook this one in. We're gonna check index 12. Then we'll hook this guy in. If it is valid, we'll skip over it. So let's do is valid. We're gonna check index 13. Plug that one in. Plug that one in. And if it is valid, we'll plug that in. Reroute. Whoops. Whoops. Let's see. Rubidev, how's it going? It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. What you got going on? We out here fixing some bugs. It's a bug fix day for our character creator system. This bug is annoying me now. Oh no, have you still not got it figured out? I think I got mine figured out. I think. Won't fully know until we get our freckle system set up, but I think I got it figured out. Nope, damn. Damn. Time to beat that bug up. Give it a spanking. Tell it to go away. Charge them, she's still here to help. Maybe. Might be time to send old Charles a message. Let's see. Wait, he already helped me? He did? How so? Let's see. Nothing much, just finished Game Jam, so now I am relaxing a bit. And you popped up to me as recommended, so I figured I'll check it out, man. Oh, nice. What Game Jam did you do? What kind of game did you make? Hell yeah. Well, I appreciate you hopping in. Yeah, we're making we're in the process of building a bit of a character creator system at the moment. Been doing it for probably about a week and a half now, something like that. Maybe a little longer. Making some slow progress on it, but we're getting there. You're gonna check index 14. And if it is valid, we'll skip over it. There we go. So, this should be good. Let's give it a whirl. See how it is. Bracky's Game Jam theme was what's behind the door. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. I didn't even know that one was going on. How long did you have to make the game? I mean, the widget is local only, so when you press the start button, just use a branch with is server, and if it is the server, just find sessions. Don't even need a server event. However, you can't do that from a widget if it's only local. You would have to do that from like a player state or something, right? Like if you, like you would have to do, like if you're the server, then set that person as the server, like on like start or something like that, or like when the session begins. And then you just pull a reference to the player state in there and then check the variable from the player state. Is that how you would do it? 7 days? Well, actually my GitHub wouldn't let me open project for 3 days, so I guess 4. What? Why wouldn't it let you open the project? What the hell happened with that? So let's see if our female... Oh no, we're setting the wrong material. She has a man face. Why did it set that material? It's working. It's just the wrong material. Okay. Yeah, it's because we copied the shit from this function. So yeah, we just gotta change the materials here. The server will always return false without fail if it's called in a widget. The only exception would be if you're running a client that is the server on a listen server, but that's not how it works in my game. Always return false without fail if it's called in a widget. The only exception would be if you're running a client that is the server on a listen server. That's not how it works on my game. Isn't that how it would work in most cases? Like, the client normally isn't the server in most instances, right? Had some fatal errors that caused some fatal headache for me. I don't know, some problem with files that we couldn't resolve, so we had to delete half of the game. What? Damn, that sucks. How many people were you working with? Do you have a solid little group? That sucks, though. That sucks. Not in most cases? Really? I didn't know that. Cudlick? What's up, Cudlick? What you got going on? What is up? So let's fix our material here. I need to find my RPG based female. Pull her up. Could try what I right above though. Oh wait a minute. I think I missed that one. There's another way. I could create a method on the player controller and call it something like request begin matchmaking, and then the player controller executes a server event on the game mode that tells the server to start matchmaking. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Maybe that works. Maybe that'll work. Let me know how it goes. Alright, so let's change these materials here. So we need index 9 right here, index 11 right here, index 12 right here, index 13 right here, and then index 14 right here. So let's check that. I'll be lurking for a little while I do this. Hey, well, I appreciate the lurk. I appreciate the lurk. Good luck. Good luck. I'm gonna test this and then I'm probably gonna do a pee break. Yeah, we just got an ad, so pee break time. Let's see if this fixed. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. So we'll go to female, maturity, and it works. Cool. Okay. So, since we got that somewhat fixed up, I'm gonna do a quick pee break. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. I'm just looking at your stream and I'm about to click on your Souls-like. Keep pushing. Best regards. Hey, good luck on the whole Souls-like stuff. Good luck. So, now we need to do Freckles. Basically need to do this whole entire setup. But for Freckles. Here, let's go make, what do we call this variable? Age value. Let's make a Freckles value in our third person blueprints. It worked? Oh shit, what? Damn, that was a fast fix. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let me call this Freckles value. Float. Woohoo! Hell yeah! I knew you could do it. I knew you'd get it done. This is a cause for celebration. Yeah, time to throw out the party sex. Hell yeah! See my last message on Twitch? Oh, did I miss one? Oh, see if this bug is annoying me? Oh, I did miss that one. Here, let me look. Let me take a look. Yeah, I totally missed that. I thought that was one of my damn timer messages. Here, let's see what the bug is. Oh, if you click it, both of them go away. Oh, and then it adds a bunch of them. I see. I see. Yeah, I've had some bugs like that before as well with equipment systems. I forget how I fixed it. Yeah, and then it'll just give you a bunch of helmets. Yeah. Yep, that's a bug, all right. That's definitely a bug. I believe in you, though. You'll get it figured out. You'll get it figured out. You got this. I came here because of ads. Yeah, the damn ads. The damn ads. Oh, shit. I didn't want to leave that one. Blueprints, widgets, character creator. Character creator widget. Strange though, because I thought it would have worked from the widget blueprint, but I'm not even sure if widget blueprints even access to the game mode. They should be able to. I've definitely accessed the game mode from widgets, but I've also like I think I casted to the game mode and then promoted it to a variable. I think. But you could also make it an interface. I mean, in a multiplayer scenario, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that one. No idea. No idea on that one. Okay, so we want to basically do the same thing down here. This is going to be our mail. So I need to copy this entire thing right here. This is 13, so let me just hook this one up. Whoops. I did that as value. Oh. Should work the same way though. Move this guy back. So if it's not valid, let's see. We'll do that. If it is valid, we'll skip over it. Could go ahead and test this one. Just to unplug this first sequence. So let's take a look. Make sure our freckles are working properly on that one, since that's the index we're on. Maturity, freckles, perfect. 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 I'm just glad it's all working out, to be honest. Yeah, it can be stressful when you're dealing with some damn bugs. I know that feeling. I'm sure I've got some pretty hard ones coming at me soon. I'm pretty sure I got actually the damn... I already know the damn morph targets are gonna be a bitch and a half, so there's that. How about your bugs? I think I got my bug fixed. I believe I got it fixed. I just had to do an is valid check here. So the initial bug, what was happening was because I'm creating a dynamic material instance whenever I change the value of these sliders, what was happening was if I changed the value on one of them, it would work, but as soon as I would change the value on the other one, it would get rid of what I did on the other one, and it would create a new dynamic material instance. So I'm having to do an is valid check pretty much on everything to see if it exists, and if it does exist, we don't want to create a new dynamic material because that'll get rid of what we were doing. So yeah, I think that's pretty sure that's all I've got to do. Seems to be working. Seems to be working on this little test that we just did. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Yeah. So yeah, like what was happening was, like, say if I'd move the maturity slider, it would work. But if I would move the freckle slider, it would get rid of everything we did on maturity. And then just create the freckles. But right now, we got both working. We can make freckles and the maturity. So, seems to be working. So now I just got to do an is valid check for all the indexes for the freckles. Yeah, that's good then? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Luckily, a lot of this is going to go faster since we already have all of this done. I just need to copy and paste some things. We'll hook that one in. So like that. And copy and paste it again. And every time I hear something from the Baldur's Gate soundtrack, I'm just like, man, I want to go play Baldur's Gate. Such a damn good game. Okay. Oh, copy this one. There we go. Let's see. Zitternick exclusive. I have a question. How do you create capture point system on my map? Capture point system? You mean like points of interest kind of thing? Is that what you mean? Oh, whoops, actually, let me do it from here. Cool. Oh, I need to change. Okay, never mind, that's fine. So I should just be able to copy and paste this entire thing right here. And just change the scalar parameter value. Hook this to a false. Hook that guy up. that works. Like that. We'll make this freckles. Right. Change the variable back here. I never set it on the other one either, but let me just check this real quick. Do you have a tutorial for that? I do not have a tutorial for that. Yeah, I haven't done too much map stuff. So I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Go female, maturity, freckles. I need to set the freckles texture on her. Or let me pull up the material here. Freckles. Let's see, what freckles texture? Where's her freckles texture? Let me think. That's gonna be on this one. Oh no, not the male one. It's gonna be the... Where's she at? Do I not have... I swear I've added the female freckles in here, right? Maybe not. I guess not. Let me add her. Do I have her downloaded? Oh, I don't even have her downloaded. Well, let's get to downloading her. Okay. That'll take a minute. That's the matchmaker timer done, too. It updates correctly for the clients when the party leader starts matchmaking. Perfect. Hell yeah. Bug fixes. Getting them shitty ass bugs dealt with. Hell yeah, that's freaking awesome. Dope as hell. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. What's the matchmaking for? Is it for like a cause I know you're doing an MMO, right? Like what's the matchmaking? Is it for like a game mode that exists? Like within the MMO? Yeah? What's the game mode? Yes? That's for putting people into a server within their region. Oh, I see, I see. Okay, okay. I see. Makes sense. And you're also... I guess you're making a lobby, so like say if you wanted like a group of friends that wanted to all start at the same time kind of a situation. Yeah, for sure. Okay, cool. Yeah, a lot of MMOs don't do that. They're just like, they just skip over lobbies. They're like, yeah, you're gonna be thrown in this region, you're gonna be thrown over here, you're gonna be thrown over here. Y'all can meet up. I know they don't. Yeah, a lot of them don't do that. They're just like, good luck. You'll find each other. Well, damn. I didn't realize I didn't have this metahuman not downloaded. I thought it was already in the damn project. Now I just gotta sit here and wait on this. I don't really think there's anything else I could be working on right now either. Yeah, I want to make it so a team can work together to get stuff done in the game, like quests and missions. Yeah, that's dope. So everyone can kind of stick to the same timeline. Yeah, that's one of the big downfalls to a lot of MMOs is like you start in different areas, you finally meet up with your friends, everyone's on a different point in the damn quest. So you gotta go back and do quests that you've already done if you want to do them with your friends, or like your friend can't join you in the quest that you're on and shit. Because they're not at the same point. Yeah. It's been a while since I played an MMO. Been a while. I forget the name of that one MMO. Let me see if I can find it. I don't know if you heard of this one, but I'm really looking forward to this one MMO that's coming up at some point. I just can't remember the damn name of it. Let me see if I can find it, because it looked freaking amazing. Might take me a little second to hunt down here. Is it Chrono Odyssey? I think it's Chrono Odyssey. Have you heard of Chrono Odyssey? Ooh, they have a new trailer I haven't watched? I have? Ooh, let's watch this trailer. I haven't watched this one. I didn't know they came out with a new one. While my metahuman is downloading. Is this a new video? I don't think I've seen it. Why does it look like ass? Yes? Yeah, this shit looks amazing. I would love to do an MMO like this. Showing a lot of stuff that was in the first trailer. It looks so good though. So good. It looks like straight up, like Souls-ish, but in MMO style. Looks friggin' amazing. Too good. Too damn good. I wonder if they have the Steam page yet. Yeah, it looks dope. Yeah, this shit looks hella good for an MMO. I'm just kind of like with these kind of graphics and stuff for an MMO. I'm just kind of curious how many people are gonna be on a server.
That are not foreseen.
Like I'd imagine probably kind of low, which is would be kind of lame, but
When all is lost, the most vulnerable are stripped of all they possess. Perhaps just a misfortune and a belief that life.
I wonder if they have a Steam page. They have a Steam page yet? I think last time I looked, they didn't even have one yet. Let's take a look. Nope. No Steam page. Nope. Yeah, no Steam page. No Steam page. Not yet. Lame. Well, either way, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, take a break, and I'll be back. So let's see if there's anyone we want to raid on Twitch. ChronoOdyssey.com. They have a website though. Here, let's take a look at that real quick. Chrono, or let me just hit the link right here that you posted. Ooh, yeah. I wonder if they're just gonna have their own launcher then. Probably. Maybe. Possibly, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, could be. A lot of MMOs do that. Just have their own launcher. What is this? Opposing powers. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, man, I'll catch you later then. Gonna get more stuff done in my game and I'll let you know what's new later. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I think we're just gonna call it here. Alright, so yep, I appreciate everyone for hanging out. We got a little bit of some bug fixes done. But yeah, I'll be back in a little while. I appreciate everyone for hanging out.